Welcome to our discussion on Protecting Ayurvedic Innovation in Sri Lanka, Challenges and Reforms, based on research by Dr. Aparrajitha Ariyadasa. Ayurvedic pharmacological innovations are vital to Sri Lanka's traditional healthcare. However, their protection under current intellectual property law faces significant hurdles. These innovations are a critical part of Sri Lanka's traditional healthcare system, rooted in ancient practices and natural remedies. The Intellectual Property Act No. 36 of 2003 currently falls short, particularly concerning patentability and preventing biopiracy of Ayurvedic formulations. This study employs doctrinal legal research, analyzing statutory provisions, international treaties like TRIPS, and case law to identify legal and structural gaps. A major challenge is proving novelty and inventive steps for Ayurvedic formulations, which often stem from long-standing traditional knowledge. The current framework lacks specific provisions to protect against biopiracy, compounded by poor documentation of orally transmitted traditional knowledge. A significant structural gap is the absence of a traditional knowledge digital library, or TKDL, essential for systematic documentation and protection. The study explores alternative legal avenues beyond traditional patents to safeguard Ayurvedic knowledge and innovations. Alternative protections examined include geographical indications, or GIs, and utility models, which may offer more suitable protection for certain innovations. Trade secrets are also considered for protecting specific, commercially valuable Ayurvedic formulations where full disclosure for a patent is not desirable. The study highlights the transformative potential of integrating digital technologies and artificial intelligence into the protection framework. Artificial intelligence can be leveraged for digital documentation of traditional knowledge and for effective patent tracking to detect biopiracy. A key proposal is the creation of the TKDL, integrating digital technologies to systematically capture and protect traditional knowledge. The research emphasizes the necessity of strategic pathways for legal and institutional reform to ensure sustainable protection. Comprehensive legal reform is crucial to effectively protect Ayurvedic innovations and to address the limitations of the existing IP Act. The study advocates for a sui generis system, a unique, tailored legal framework, specifically designed for the protection of traditional knowledge. Strengthened collaboration between universities, government agencies, and local communities is recommended to promote innovation while safeguarding cultural heritage. In conclusion, the current intellectual property law is insufficient for protecting the complexities of Ayurvedic innovations in Sri Lanka. The law fails to provide adequate protection, leaving traditional knowledge vulnerable to misuse and exploitation. Comprehensive legal reform, including digital integration and establishing a TKDL, is essential for sustainable protection and utilization of Sri Lanka's traditional knowledge.